Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this mouse from Logitech, or mice. How do you say it? So I will show it to you. It's the Logitech mouse M185 or M185, and then yes, it's not a Bluetooth mouse as far as I know, but it has an USB stick in it. So you can make a wireless connection to any USB manageable device. It is plug and play, so it is automatically detected. You do not need to install any drivers. I like the Logitech mouses. I have another version and it's very professional. The other mouse that I have has a very long runtime, and I dropped it so many times. I had many other mouses that were instantly broken or broke very fast after dropping a few times, and the other Logitech still yeah, hold its record. So that's why I bought this second one. It's another version. But yeah, I also first want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe and you will get notified when you win something. We are giving away nice prizes like laptops, Bluetooth stuff, computer stuff, and smartphones and stuff like that. So don't forget to subscribe. It is completely free, and yes, you can win something. So here you see the mice, or the mouse. Yeah. So voila. So this is it, and then here you have the battery, and then a slide button to power it on. I will remove it. Voila. And then here's the USB stick. So this you plug into your computer, and then you have a mouse. So we are going to test this product. I will review it later, so check out my other videos. I also see that there is some plastic wrapper around it, so you can remove it. I go to remove it later. I'm not going to do that now, but yeah, it feels clicky, it feels good. It's not the smallest one, but also not the biggest. It is just enough for your whole fingers. So yes. So here you see it. There also is what is this? Some manual or something. Voila, Logitech. I'm not going to read this because it's a mouse. And you also see here on the box that there is a USB stick in it, and how to use the power button. It's very simple. It's very basics. The weight, we can weight it. So I will check how much weight it gives. This mouse with battery included and USB receiver, 72 grams. So that's 72 grams for this mouse. So yes, I see you later, and bye bye.